Minister of Education, Dr. Alausa, paid an official visit to the Qatar National Library, where he was received by Hamad bin Abdulaziz Al Kuwari, president of QNL, while attending the World Innovation Summit for Education. It's part of renewed efforts to ensure the completion and modernization of the Nigerian National Library headquarters in Abuja, a landmark national project that has remained unfinished for over 4 decades. During the visit, Dr. Alausa noted that the Qatar National Library stands as a global benchmark that Nigeria seeks to emulate as it works to build a state-of-the-art 21st century national library. The minister reaffirmed the federal government's commitment to delivering a modern, functional and future-ready National Library of Nigeria, ensuring broad access to digital and physical resources, cutting-edge technologies, and robust cultural preservation for generations to come. The Tertiary Education Trust Fund has outlined ambitious interventions to address infrastructure deficits and strengthen research capacity in Nigeria's higher education system. At the national stakeholders' engagement in Lagos, officials emphasized the fund's commitment to innovation, energy sustainability, and curriculum modernization as critical pathways to national development.
At TET Fund's National Town Hall meeting in Lagos, stakeholders gathered to review strategic priorities for 2025 and beyond.
This investment strengthens transparency, accelerates workflow, and ensures that stakeholders can track interventions with greater clarity. It also supports e-learning and digital literacy across campuses.
Next cardinal thing we are doing is restructuring our curriculum across board so that we'll make them relevant to industry, focusing on research, on innovation, on creativity. We want to be able to make you fit to work with industry, to work for companies outside the country, and to be able to yourself become a creator of jobs and a creator of wealth.
The fund says it is deepening investment in high-impact research areas from agriculture, engineering, and ICT to health sciences and environmental sustainability, sectors critical to Nigeria's growth.
We need to look at a way to help drive targeted research that Nigeria needs, such as food security, renewable energy, public health, digital economy, social security technology, education methodology, not just education, but the methodology of education itself.
Energy remains a major challenge. TET Fund has budgeted 70 billion naira in 2025 to deploy sustainable mini-grid systems across selected campuses to improve learning conditions and reduce cost.
Encouraging industry-academic collaboration, enabling innovation to flow into the economy. Priority should be given to strategic national sectors such as energy, security, agriculture, health, and the digital economy.
With 91% of its resources dedicated to direct disbursement and high-impact projects, TET Fund says the next phase of its work will focus on commercializing research, strengthening digital capacity, improving transparency, and modernizing Nigeria's curriculum. Sharon Ijason, TVC.